Gemini 3.5 Flash is a game changer. Google just dropped something big. It is Gemini 3.5 Flash. It's fast, it's cheap, and it works while you sleep. This thing is about to change how your business runs, handling your emails, your reports, your leads all on its own. Let me show you exactly what it does. And if you're a business owner, you need to pay attention to this, because this isn't just a faster AI. This is a whole new system, a fast model, an always-on AI worker, and a platform that can run dozens of tasks at the same time. I'm going to break all of it down for you right now. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it does, why it matters, and how to use it to grow your business today. Let's go. Okay, so first, what even is Gemini Flash? It's Google's new model, and it's built to be fast and cheap, way faster than the old top models, way cheaper to run. That matters a lot because when AI is fast and cheap, you can run it all the time, not just when you sit down to use it, but all the time. Think about that for a second. You've got tasks piling up every single day, emails, follow-ups, reports, lead outreach, content admin. What if you had an AI worker handling all of that, even while you're asleep? That's what we're talking about here. Google didn't just drop a faster model, they dropped a three-part system, and here's what it is. Part 1 is Gemini 2.5 Flash, the fast brain that processes things in seconds and costs way less than before. Part 2 is the Spark agent, your always-on AI worker that runs in the cloud, doesn't need you to be at your computer, and just works all day every day. Part 3 is the Orchestration Platform, the big one, which lets you run many AI workers at the same time, in parallel, on completely different tasks. 3 parts, 1 system, and together they change everything. Quick pause, because if you're watching this, you're already ahead of most people. You actually care about using AI to grow your business, and that's rare. That's exactly why the iProfit Boardroom exists. It's where business owners like you learn how to use tools like Gemini 2.5 Flash to automate the stuff that eats your time, lead gen, content, follow-ups, reporting, all of it. No fluff, no theory, just the exact workflows and strategies that work right now. If you want to learn how to use AI tools like Gemini to save time and scale your business, check the link below for the AI Profit Boardroom. Now, back to the good stuff. Let me go deeper on Spark because this is where things get really exciting. Spark is an AI agent that lives in the cloud. You don't have to open it, you don't have to babysit it, you just set it up, give it instructions, and it works. Here's what it can actually do. It scans your Gmail, finds the important stuff, pulls out deadlines, and gives you a clean list of what actually needs your attention. It reads your meeting notes and turns them into a polished report in Google Docs automatically. Drafts emails for you based on your templates and instructions, queues them up, and has them ready to send. And every morning it sends you a daily brief with your inbox summary, calendar rundown, and task list. Done. Now imagine that running for your business every single day. No more inbox overwhelm, no more missed follow-ups, no more reports taking hours to write. Spark handles it, and you focus on the high-value stuff. Let me show you exactly how this works in practice. Say I want Spark to help grow the AI Profit Boardroom. Here's what I tell it. Every morning, scan my inbox for new leads who've asked about AI automation, draft a personalized outreach email for each one using our AI Profit Boardroom template, then send me a summary of who to follow up with today. Boom, done. Spark scans, finds the leads, drafts the emails, sends the brief. That's a full morning task, automated. And it doesn't just do it once, it does it every single day while you're on a call, while you're having breakfast, while you're asleep. That is what AI automation actually looks like in the real world. Let me walk you through a few more use cases because this applies to almost every part of your business. For lead management, Spark finds new leads, drafts outreach emails, follows up automatically if they don't reply, and updates your CRM. You wake up with a full pipeline and you didn't lift a finger. For content and marketing, imagine you want a new landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. You just say, create a landing page that shows the value of AI automation, explains the benefits of our community, and drives leads to sign up. Gemini Flash generates a full landing page mockup in under a minute. No designer needed, no copywriter needed. You review, tweak, and publish. For reporting and admin, every week you need client reports with data from emails, docs, and calendar notes all coming together. Spark does that for you. It pulls the data, writes the report, formats it properly. What used to take 2 or 3 hours now takes 2 minutes. And for coding and building, if you've got a product idea, Gemini Flash can scaffold an interface, read research papers, and create a working prototype in seconds. That's not an exaggeration. That's what the demos are showing. Now let me talk about the orchestration platform because this is where things get next level. Think about a big task like reaching out to 50 new leads for the AI Profit Boardroom. The old way, you'd write one email, copy it, tweak it 50 times, or you'd pay someone to do it, or it just wouldn't get done. The new way, the platform splits that task into 50 parallel subtasks that each run at the same time, 50 personalized emails done at once. It's like having a team of 50 people working on the same project simultaneously. That's what the orchestration platform does. Here's something people miss. The fact that Gemini 2.5 Flash is cheap, that's a huge deal. It means the barrier to running AI automation all the time has dropped massively. Bigger, slower models were expensive to run constantly, and most businesses couldn't justify it. Now you can run Spark agents, parallel tasks, and daily automations all at a cost that actually makes sense for small and medium businesses. This isn't just for Google or big enterprise companies anymore. This is for you, right now, whatever size your business is. Okay, let me be straight with you. Some of these features are still rolling out and not everyone has full access yet. Google is expanding availability over time, and bigger models with more integrations are coming. But a lot of this is already available through the Gemini app right now, and the core functionality, you can start testing it today. Don't wait for the perfect version. Start with what's available, build the habit, and get ahead while everyone else is still waiting. You've seen what Gemini Flash can do. Now what? Here's your action plan for right now this week. Step 1, write down your top 3 time-wasting tasks: inbox triage, lead follow-ups, weekly reports, whatever eats your time. Step 2, pick just one and hand it to an AI agent first. Step 3, open the Gemini app, connect your Gmail, calendar, and docs, and test one automated task. Step 4, refine your prompts, make them specific, and build a template you can reuse. Start small, one task automated, then 2, then 5, and then your whole operation runs smoother and you barely have to do anything. Before you go, 2 things. First, the AI Profit Boardroom. This is for business owners who are serious about using AI automation to grow. We go deep on tools like Gemini, Spark agents, and automation workflows, and we show you exactly how to use them in your business. No theory, just results. If you want to automate your business using AI tools like the ones I just showed you, the link is below. The AI Success Lab, our free AI community with 67,000 members, all using AI to grow their businesses every single day. Inside, you'll find the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases, including everything from today's video. You'll get the notes from this video, templates you can use right away, and access to a community of people who are actually doing this. Links are in the comments and description. Go grab them. See you in the next video.